wondered what the future of motorcycle riding looks like? In 2024, electric motorcycles are taking the world by storm, offering unprecedented power, style, and sustainability. Get ready to ignite your curiosity as we unveil the best electric motorbikes of 2024. The LACAMA Biposto emerges as a thrilling embodiment of Italian craftsmanship and innovation, redefining the landscape of electric motorcycles. A testament to Italian design philosophy, it seamlessly blends sinuous lines with a bold, aggressive stance, captivating the eye with its dynamic profile. Beyond its aesthetic allure, this double-seater masterpiece promises an exhilarating journey for riders and passengers alike. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, its glossy finishes and premium materials exude luxury, elevating the riding experience to unprecedented heights. Inspired by the spirited heritage of motored and street fighter motorcycles, its saddle design merges form and function, ensuring unparalleled comfort and control. Underneath its captivating exterior lies a powerhouse of performance, boasting a staggering 110 kW of power and 230 Nm of torque, all delivered seamlessly by its 100% electric, zero-emission propulsion system. With a maximum speed of 230 km per hour and an urban cycle range of 257 km, the LACAMA Biposto proves to be a force to be reckoned with, combining speed, range, and eco-friendliness in a single package. Weighing in at 219 kg, its lightweight construction further enhances its agility and responsiveness, making every ride a symphony of motion and style. The Lightning LS218 stands as a pinnacle of electric motorcycle engineering, delivering unparalleled performance and cutting-edge technology. With a staggering 244 horsepower and 220 foot-pounds of torque generated by its IPM liquid-cooled electric motor, the LS218 blazes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 2 seconds, redefining the standards of acceleration in the electric motorcycle realm. Boasting a 380-volt 15 kWh battery pack as standard, riders can expect an average highway mileage of 188 miles per charge, ensuring ample range for both urban commutes and long-distance journeys. For those craving even more endurance, Lightning offers optional battery upgrades, including a 380-volt 20 kWh pack for a range of 255 miles per charge or the Lightning Fast Charge system with a massive 28 kWh capacity, enabling a staggering 335 miles of range. Charging the LS218 is a breeze with Lightning's advanced charging systems, with the LFCS allowing for an 80% charge in just 12 minutes, providing unmatched convenience and flexibility for riders on the go. Beyond its impressive performance metrics, the LS218 boasts a sleek and custom design, featuring LED headlights, carbon fiber fairings, and high-end components, showcasing Lightning's commitment to both form and function. With a track record of setting land speed records and dominating competitions against gas-powered rivals, the Lightning LS218 proves that electric motorcycles can not only compete but surpass traditional standards of speed and performance. The S2 Mulholland emerges as a groundbreaking fusion of design innovation, performance prowess, and eco-conscious engineering, redefining the standards of electric motorcycles. Departing from traditional design norms, Mulholland's silhouette breaks new ground, showcasing brake lines and wiring harnesses to forge a deeper connection between rider and machine. This revolutionary design ethos extends to its riding experience, mirroring the high performance established by the S2 Del March. Weighing in at 432 pounds, Mulholland boasts a blistering 3.3-second sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour, propelled by 84 horsepower and an impressive 194 foot-pounds of torque. Its redesigned rider triangle, featuring higher and further back handlebars, fosters a more upright and relaxed riding position, ensuring comfort without compromising agility. Equipped with 19-inch front and 17 rear wheels adorned with Dunlop SportMax RoadSmart 4 tires, Mulholland offers unparalleled stability and grip, enabling riders to exploit its remarkable 55 degrees and 50 degrees left and right lean angles with confidence. Pushing boundaries further, Mulholland pioneers LiveWire's use of sustainable materials, with eco-friendly components adorning key touchpoints and an optional unpainted lunar white finish minimizing environmental impact. From its lightning-fast acceleration to its commitment to sustainability, the S2 Mulholland epitomizes the future of electric motorcycles, where performance and environmental responsibility converge seamlessly. Energica Ego Plus, the epitome of electric motorcycle excellence, stands at the forefront of the electric revolution, proving that sustainability and exhilarating performance can go hand in hand. As the world embraces electric mobility, Ego Plus remains unrivaled, boasting the title of the world's most powerful and advanced electric motorcycle, challenging even the most formidable internal combustion liter bikes without emitting a single gram of harmful emissions. With an astonishing acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds and a blistering top speed capped at 150 miles per hour, Ego Plus unleashes pure adrenaline with every twist of the throttle. Born from a rich heritage of racing excellence, Ego Plus inherits the expertise garnered from the racetrack, ensuring an unparalleled fusion of track-ready performance and road-going practicality. Energica's pioneering patented technology, honed over a decade of experience in high-performance electric motorcycles, guarantees unmatched reliability, evidenced by international patents covering crucial components like the vehicle control unit, braking system, and battery pack. Under the sleek fairings of Ego Plus lies a powerhouse of electric propulsion, delivering 126 kilowatt of power, 222 newton-meters of torque, and a mind-boggling range of 420 kilometers, setting new standards for electric motorcycles and paving the way for a thrilling, emission-free future on two wheels. At the pinnacle of electric adventure motorcycles, the Zero DSR X stands as a testament to cutting-edge technology and uncompromising capability. Purpose-built for exploration, it boasts a lightweight yet robust chassis, offering unmatched control both on and off the trail. With its sleek design and optimized geometry, the DSR X exudes confidence, while a plethora of rugged accessories further enhance its versatility. Powered by the Z-Force 17.3 kWh battery, it delivers an impressive city range of 179 miles, extendable to nearly 21 kWh with the optional power tank upgrade. Charging is effortless thanks to the scalable rapid charge system, ensuring convenience whether on the road or off the beaten path. Equipped with the unique Z-Force 7510X motor, the DSR X delivers a staggering 166 foot-pounds of torque and 100 horsepower of immediate power, effortlessly conquering any obstacle with its whisper-quiet, emission-free operation. Designed for adventure, it features multiple storage compartments, an adjustable windscreen, and a host of purpose-built accessories, enabling riders to tailor their experience to their needs. Supported by a rapidly expanding charging network and integrated with backcountry discovery routes, the DSR X opens up a world of electric motorcycle adventures, redefining the boundaries of exploration while prioritizing safety and control with advanced features like Bosch motorcycle stability control and vehicle hold braking. With its show-stopping performance and eco-conscious design, the Zero DSR X invites riders to embrace the thrill of electric riding without compromise. So, which electric motorbike caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details and updated prices. Also, hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on the latest electric bikes.